Tell me exactly what am I supposed to do now that I have allowed you to beat me? Do you think that we could play another game? Maybe I could win this time. I kinda like the misery you put me through. Darling, you can't trust me completely. If you even try to look the other way, I think that I could kill this time. It doesn't really seem I'm getting through to you. Though I see you weeping so sweetly, I think that you might have to take another taste, a little bit of hell this time. Lie to me. Lie to me. Is she not right? Is she insane? Will she now run from a life that never ends this day? Is she not right? Is she insane? Will she now run from a life that she lies? You always wanted people to remember you, to leave your little mark on society. Don't you know your wish is coming true today? Another victim dies tonight. Lie to me. Lie to me. Is she not right? Is she insane? Will she now run from a life that never ends this day? Is she not right? Is she insane? Will she now run from a life that she lies? Doesn't she realize she's in danger? Is she not right? Is she insane? Will she now run from a life that never ends this day? Is she not right? Is she insane? Will she now run from a life that she lies? Little bit she went and she told a lie, and now she would never tell another a lie. Little bit she went and she told a lie. Never fucking lies to me. Can you hear the desperate cries that are calling out your name, twisting your arm, holding out their hands and tugging at your sleeve until you feel this underlying sense of urgency? Are you as blind as me? I hit the ground and I'm still running, but I need a place to stay tonight. Swear I'll be gone in the morning, I just need somewhere now. I can't bear the thought of losing, I dread the attention winning brings. And ever since the day I came here, I can stand without your strings. I'm so sick of all these people, but I'm scared to be alone. And if this life has taught me anything, I've forgotten long ago. And so I hit the ground and I'm still running, but I need a place to stay tonight. Swear I'll be gone in the morning, I just need somewhere warm to close my eyes. Hit the ground and I'm still running, but I need a place to stay tonight. Swear I'll be gone in the morning, I just need somewhere warm to close my eyes.